When learners are working through Google, it's important that they have logged into their Google account. To know how to do this, you can see this on the first video about Google Chrome. They then need to be aware of where their work is being stored. So using the Google waffle at the top right-hand corner, learners are able to select their drive. Now, the Google Drive is their online cloud storage for all of the work that they are producing and creating through Google. Initially, they have the link there to My Drive, and their My Drive is their online storage. So they are the only ones who have access to the My Drive. They also have access to a shared drives, and within the shared drives, these folders are owned by the organization. So in this case, it's Hub. And then through that, we're able to open those folders, and we can have different people having access to different folders on the shared drive. So here you can see that I'm the only person with access to this folder. We can then add people to that group and then have them with different editorial rights. So if we want people just to see them, we can have them set as just a viewer, or we can have them having full control as managers as well. Now, they also have access to their shared with me. So if you're sharing documents with your learners through the Google Drive, it will appear in their shared with me. And then one of the other ones that's quite handy for them is this starred folder here. So any documents that they choose to star will be there in a quick access link within their Google Drive. So going back to the My Drive, with all their documents, they are immediately locked down to themselves. And if they want to share them with other people, there are different things that they're able to do. So if we right click or double tap on a Chromebook, they can download those documents. They can rename them. They can make a copy if they have been shared with them, or if they want to retain an original copy and allow other people to edit. And again, they are stored in the My Drive. So if I want to share a document, I can click on that share option. I'm the person who owns it. And then down here, we have the different levels of access. So initially, they are restricted so that only I have access to the piece of work. We then have Hub. So anybody with a Hub login will be able to see that piece of work if the link is shared with them. And teachers also have anyone with the link. So if they're sharing it with others outside of the Hub resource. Once they've changed that link, they're able to edit the level of access that people have. So they can view it, comment on it, or they can edit it. And then we can copy the link and share that with other people. Now, when we've got our other work in folders, so it's a little bit more organized, we can, in here, organize there, and we have all of those same links. So we can share the folder, we can organize it by moving it around, we can add a shortcut to our Google Drive if we haven't already got one. And then if it's a folder that we use often, we can also star it. If you want, you can also then color code them to make them a little bit more visible to other people. Now, if in our shared with me or any documents that have been shared, when we make a copy, that will appear in that folder, and then we're able to use that as we need to. Now, when we create new documents, we've got the option up here in the top left-hand corner where we can create a new folder. We can then, within that folder, decide to create Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Forms, and then in More, we have options for Google Drawings, My Maps, Sites, and Jamboards further down. So any of the documents then that we create will be stored within that folder. The final thing to be able to do within your Google Drive is to be able to search for different items. So you've got the search tool up at the top here, and then you've got the advanced search as well. So if you know what type of document you are looking for, you can select the type of document, so filter it through any of those terms. You can look for who owns the piece of work, so if it's work that's been shared with you, you can go and find it. Or has specific words in it, if you know the item name or any other things that are going to help you find that piece of work. So by using the advanced search, it can often be easier to find documents that you're looking for at the top.